And this is the moment Shashalee Forbes from Jamaica got injured in the Miramar 100-meter invitational race. And guess what happened? There was no Jamaican team that could rescue Shashalee Forbes, so her injury could not further and got worsened. Rather, it was the American Sha'carri Richardson and Twashina, right, that came to help Shashalee Forbes, so her injury could not get worsened. And this has sparked a lot of reaction on social media because a lot of people are very angry with the fact that Shashalee Forbes could not get the help she needed as fast as possible from any sport officials from Jamaica, and like people who came with her at the Miramar Invitational, people who supported her. They could not came through for Shashalee Forbes to help her. Rather, it was Sha'carri Richardson who rushed and helped Shashalee Forbes. And this is the true definition of sportsmanship. And this is why I said Sha'carri Richardson might be very harsh, but trust me, she has a very good heart. Sha'carri Richardson might be a very stubborn girl, but trust me, she's very kind. At the same time, she cares a lot about other people's issues and what they are going through. And this is why I said Sha'carri is a role model. And this is why I always keep telling people never to judge a book by its cover. Now, what Sha'carri done is actually it deserves an applaud because she has saved Shashalee Forbes from furthering and injuring her injury. And I hope to see Shashalee Forbes back. Now, talking about the reason I feel like maybe there was no Jamaican officials or probably any Jamaican to kind of helped Shashalee Forbes. Maybe nobody was close to her when she got injured. So I really can't blame the Jamaicans or anybody from Jamaica for not helping Shashalee Forbes. Maybe that was the situation. But all I want to let you guys know is that Sha'carri knows the true definition of sportsmanship in athletics.